Introducing the future of cleaning. Puroll, the world's first cleaning tool that uses both ultrasonic washing and ionization disinfection. Puroll helps you better clean and sterilize your clothing and items without damaging them. The ultrasonic cleaning tool gets deep into fabrics and items hard to reach spots, and the use of reactive oxygen species, generated by electrolysis of water, eliminates stains on clothes, leading to incredible results that you would never be able to achieve with a washing machine or by hand washing. All you need is a container or a sink filled with water and a little bit of detergent. Puroll has 3 different modes for different cleaning solutions. Simply choose the one you want, and after being put in the water, Puroll will operate automatically. Puroll offers you deep cleansing, save time, water, and energy, all in one device. With wireless design, it's easy to clean anything you need, from vegetables to jewelry. With a USB charging port, Puroll can be powered with a wall charger, power bank, or any other USB charging source. Puroll is designed to be compact and portable so you can take it with you anywhere. Puroll, for easy cleaning and wonderful life.